What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as y'all can see, this will be another, yes y'all, I know this is probably like my 12th headband wig video, and that's okay because that's what's trending right now, so that's what I have to show you guys. So wig that I have is from Julia Hair, and let's just hop into shipping. So shipping was about 3 days. I believe it was via DHL, and they did send me a second wig. It is like a cap type of wig. I haven't worn it, but they did send me one, so thank you guys for that. So this is the box in all its entirety. Thankful for them, they sent me over 7 headbands, including this really nice sparkly one, and then they gave me a pack of wig caps. Sent me their waterwave wig, but it is available in 14 through 26 inches. This one that I have is 24 inches, my apologies. So it all comes in a natural color. And if you do get this one in this length, it is under $200, so that's really great because a lot of these headband wigs people have saying have been way too expensive, but honestly I feel like this is worth it. This one's really full, and this is probably the first time I didn't put like water on my headband wig, because I always put it on curly hair. It don't matter if it's a headband wig, a lace front, a closure, none of that. So very versatile. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about my experience thus far. So I haven't gotten any tangling, surprisingly, because it's very long hair, and it's curly, and that's bound to happen. So you guys are gonna see, but I'm just gonna take this down and show you guys the length on me. I'm 5'3". So this is how this is looking. She's going past my boob. So initially this is falling about 26 inches on me because I am a short girl. It's just I'm a short girl, and I usually have longer length on me. So if you're short, that is a plus. But yes, shipping was fast, communication was fast. I really like this wig, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it because it's nice and full. Like I said, look at the texture. It looks really good, even without water. And as you guys know, when you put water on curly hair, it seems like sometimes you have to do it. Like this one, you don't have to do it. I'm just gonna turn around, show you guys the volume. Like, it looks really nice. So yeah, check it out in the description. Y'all know I don't like to try to talk too much, so let's just hop into this quick little installation, and I will be showing a couple hairstyles. And if you guys want to see the headband wig that they sent me, then I will go ahead and leave it at the end of this video. I will insert a clip. So thank you to Julia Hair, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hold on, y'all. So I just put this wig on. I just want to say I am very impressed by the density. Y'all, this wig is so full. Like, it's like how you would want your headband wig to be. Like, no gaps. You can part it down the middle, and you can leave some in the back. Like, the density is nice and full, and this texture, baby girl, it's giving me crimped. Kind of not crimped, but it's giving me like my hair was braided. I took it down, and I love how that looks. It looks so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna proceed to do a couple of different hairstyles. So thank you to Julia Hair. They gave me a ton of headbands.